Hello, I'm Dr. Paul Beckham from All Seasons Full Body Chiropractic Center in Fargo, North Dakota. We're answering patients' frequently asked questions, and one of them was, are chiropractic adjustments similar to massages? Well, chiropractic adjustments are really dealing, what most people probably think, to the bones and joints of the body here. So we're trying to align the bones and joints to take stress off of them and to hopefully get the correct alignment back. Just like getting your car aligned, or think of like if your house, if the foundation settled, to get the proper alignment there, so the doors and windows will open and shut properly here. Whereas massages are generally dealing with more of the soft tissues of the body, like the muscles, the tendons, the ligaments, and all that, and are just trying to get them to loosen up or break up some fibrotic tissue. So some chiropractic offices just perform chiropractic adjustments, and others, like ours, do soft tissue treatments as well to help deal with the muscles and tendons and ligaments. And also, like you see kind of in the background here, there's some charts of what are called myofascial trigger points. And I've dealt with them for my entire career. And a lot of people have these kind of conditions going on that can cause pain, that we'll find with an exam and make sure that we get those dealt with here as well. So I hope this information helps. And if you have any further questions, just contact the office and we'll be sure to let you know, or try and answer your questions for you. So I hope you have a great day and hopefully maybe see you soon.